Hi, I'm Rudy Winston with Canon USA, and I'm here to introduce the new EOS 5D Mark IV camera. It builds on the heritage of Canon's EOS 5D series, a legacy of full-frame excellence for critical users worldwide. With this latest camera, significant features first seen in Canon's top-of-the-line EOS 1DX Mark II have trickled down to the new 5D Mark IV. Versatile, balanced performance is perhaps the greatest strength of the new EOS 5D Mark IV. 7 frames per second speed makes it even more at home for rapid shooting situations. And its refinements include features like a full touchscreen interface and an intelligent viewfinder that displays 100% of the picture area. No matter what type of shooting you do, this is going to be a camera to consider. Image quality is one highlight. 30.4 million pixels mean excellent fine detail in publication and in large prints. And it's backed up by technologies like Digital Lens Optimizer, a lens-specific enhancement that can get even more detail from your Canon EF lenses. AF refinements match the boost in shooting speed. The 61-point AF sensor is new, with some important benefits. Autofocus is even more positive in low light. And you can get AF at effective f8 maximum apertures at all 61 AF points when specific Canon telephoto lenses are used with Canon's version 3 teleextenders. This is going to be a great feature for wildlife and nature shooters. The EOS 5D Mark IV brings 4K video to the EOS